We're doing something a little different this time around. I want to take you on to a late night self-care routine, just getting my hair done, doing my skincare, and just doing all the things a girl needs to do, especially this tired mom who does not want to forget herself. Welcome back to the channel. But first, let's sew. Next on the list, the skin. Just because I'm tired doesn't mean the skin gotta look like it too. It needs all the things to keep it tight, keep it hydrated, keep it firm, and keep it youthful. I still want to look my best radiant self. I will be making a separate video on the tea on my skincare. I think I've had it down packed the last few years. And I think I am ready now to share with you guys the products I love using, especially that they are affordable, and you will not believe what has been helping your girl keep the skin glowing the way I do. So be on the lookout. If you're watching for the first time and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I am looking forward for you to be part of our team, okay? This year is about growing community and strengthening community, and just still keeping authenticity and realism into my content. As you guys can see, I put on some Kimora Lee, her new show. I'm loving it. I've always been a fan, and I'm just braiding my hair down, just making it just as relaxing as possible. We're not rushing, we're not going anywhere. This time is for us. Next on the list is the wig install. Now, this is usually my go-to every other week or every 2 week frontal wig that I put on. It's neutral, it's black, it's long, and it just does it right for me, where I can throw on some rollers and take them out and it looks fabulous. A lot of times I don't wear no parting in it. So I'm just going to show y'all how I install my wig. I have not done an install video in a very long time. I said, why not just share the things I've been doing? I am completely a glueless girl. I do not like adhesive at all. And the way I rotate my wigs, that I still rotate my wigs, I preferably rather not touch glue on my wigs or on my scalp. So these are the alternatives that I like using. Everything I'm using in this video will be linked down below, and you can also follow me in Benable and purchase those items as well. And hopefully, possibly, if I still have the energy, I will be linking this on my Amazon storefront. So make sure you check out the description box. It has everything I believe as possible I could find linked down below if you're interested of trying anything that I've used in this video.
Stick out my tongue and I'm already hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Guys, I know the exposure is somewhat light, but I have lights all around because your girl can't see and I need to see since I'm not putting my contacts on to install my wig. I bought more rods. Shein. These are slightly smaller. Oh, slightly smaller. No, they're like the same size. So now I have 7. And this was the amount I want because I love them so much. I'm gonna be watching this interview, y'all. The Vince Benable is an iconic guest on Z-Way. Is it Z-Way? I think it's Z-Way. I love satire. It is 10:15. And we're trying to get the look together because I'm trying to feel like a girl. It's a girl's name. A girl's name. Well, I have a Leah face playing in the background because what's better? When's the last time I did a wig install for y'all? So why not? Why not? So let's finish.
Second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You making me wanna say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I see the last.
It's the morning. Let's see how they're looking.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Let the phone know, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, the strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you let me low.
Now you talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? That I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Here we go again.
This is the end result of my hair. I'm really feeling it and how it looked outside the rollers. I think I could have done it tight, but that's neither here or there. Here are some of my press-ons for the week. I am loving it. It is tea, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.
We was living faster.